Hi everyone, Irina Bakley here, a licensed relationship therapist from Irina Bakley Counseling LLC.com. Let's talk about therapy and what kind of therapy do you need? I get this question asked a lot. There are so many therapists out there are so many types, there are so many different abbreviations. Like what will work for me? What do I need? So let's break it down and talk about it. So clients get, and I have this question, I see this question a lot in different um, Facebook groups and articles. And some clients ask me as well, like, what kind of therapy do I need? There is, very kind of like most people know about what CBT is, right? The cognitive behavioral therapy. There is DBT, dialectical behavioral therapy. It's more for like borderline and like crisis, suicide, historically kind of have been used for. And then there is like EMDR, eye movement, desensitization and processing therapy. It's like for trauma. And then there is, of course, EFT, emotional focused couples therapy that I love. There is Gottman. There is, all kinds of stuff out there, and some of it is evidence based, which is like empirically supported, meaning that there have been studies done and the effectiveness rate is high enough, and some of them are not so evidence-based, like psychodynamic therapy. And this is kind of a psychodynamic approach is what I think most people think of when they think of therapy. They think of Sigmund Freud and kind of laying on the couch, which doesn't happen as often anymore. There are a lot of other schools of thoughts and modalities out there, and so it's you can see how it can get so very very fast confusing and frustrating, kind of like I don't know which one I need, and so I'm sorry, though we spend, including myself, a lot of time, money, effort, and energy into learning these new strategies and new schools of thought, there are a lot of studies that show that at the end of the day, the relationship with the therapist is what is most important. And it's the biggest predictor of successful outcome in therapy. So it's all, in other words, it's all about the relationship, right? I can know a lot of shit. I can know, like, I can read encyclopedias and books and take all these expensive and extensive trainings, but I might not be able to know how to apply it to my clients. So I might not be able to have enough empathy to relate to my clients. And so all this training kind of goes out of the window, just like we talked in other video about the communication skills. If you learn just the skills and you don't know it, like you don't have the safety foundation in a relationship, all the skills are going to go out of the window in the heated moment of the argument. And if you're interested in that video, it's called something like communication skills. You can look through there, my videos on YouTube. So what do I do? Trust your gut, trust your judgment. Everything you need to have is within you. I strongly believe that. And so you need to just answer this question to yourself very truthfully. Like, do I trust this person? Talk to the people on the phone, ask them potential questions like, how will you help me, and honestly, even this question is not as important, because I'm gonna tell you, like, there is no one approach fits all anymore. I approach clients from a multidimensional, kind of multi-layered standpoint, and so it really depends on what you bring to the office, and my approach will be a combination of different things. And a lot of therapists say that they are eclectic, meaning that they draw from different approaches, from a combination of different schools of thoughts and different approaches, whether kind of seeing like if it's relevant here, if it's more appropriate here. So yes, it all goes back to you. Trust your own intuition, trust your judgment. See if you feel that you can trust this person. See if you feel that this person knows what they're talking about. See if you feel that this person will help you. And really not gonna go too much into the kind of CBT and how the mind works, but you believing that this person will help you will actually increase the success in your therapy. You believing that this person is not a good fit for you will hinder your progress. So that's a very, very important piece. And so make sure that you slow down and that you get in touch with yourself and you ask yourself, what is it that I believe? And then you follow that intuition. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.